Okay, guys, let's take a look at what comes in the box. So one of the first things you're going to be greeted with is the starter manual. I do recommend that you read through this. There's going to be some good information in here on the actual camera itself, all of the different functions, what each and every one of the buttons do, as well as how to charge this and also recover images and video from this as well, including how to use this as a webcam. All right, so the version that I was sent is this white variant that you guys see right here. Very elegant looking. It is plastic for the most part, but so are most cameras. You guys can see here on the very top, we have our shutter button, a power button, and we also have a microphone up here on the top as well. Off to the side here, we have a place where you can use a lanyard. If we go underneath, you guys will see this little door right here. You can slide this forward and you'll find your battery as well as your SD card right here underneath this little door. You have a 1/4 mount here, so if you want to mount this on a tripod, you'll be able to. As we go around to the opposite side, we have a little small speaker for playing back audio, as well as a USB also for charging up the camera. All right, let's go to the back. So on the back here, you're going to have your standard buttons, your play button, your menu, your selection buttons here, your zoom in and zoom out. So all of those are going to be pretty much standard as you would find on most cameras. So let's go ahead and turn this guy on so you guys can get an idea what this camera looks like on. All right, so as you guys can see, that's what we're seeing on the display of the screen. Right here on the display, you see a number of different icons, white balance, if there's a filter, if there's any compensation that's already been done, ISO being auto, what mode you're in. It'll show up here at the very top. So right now, this is in photo mode. The micro setting is turned on. The beauty setting is also turned on. You have a menu button here that will allow you to go through and adjust different things on the menu, which is very handy. And then, of course, you can always go back to the normal settings. All right, so let's put the camera down for a second, take a look at the other accessories that come in the box. As you guys can see, a lot of foam in this box, very well packaged. So here's that aforementioned lanyard. If you wanted to attach a lanyard to the camera, that's a good option. It also comes with this little travel pouch where you can put all of your accessories, whatever accessories you want to carry with it, inside as well. Now, this little card right here is important because you will find the QR code here that you can install an app on your Android or iOS device to allow you to be able to control the camera. Here is a USB-A to USB-C cable for charging or connecting this to a computer. And here is your second battery. So you get 2 batteries in this kit. Okay, guys, so to download the app, all you need to do is take your phone, open your camera, and then point it at the QR code. And you'll see the little icon pop up. And all you need to do is tap on it. It's going to take you over to a site where you have an option to choose either Google, Apple, or other stores. So we're going to click on Apple in my case, and then I would just go here and I would click on install. And then it's going to allow me to install the app that's going to allow me to control the camera. Now you will have to grant a few accesses to the camera itself. Another thing that you will have to do with the camera is to go into the menu settings. Let's turn it back on. You're going to go into your menu settings and you're going to go up and over. And you're going to come down until you see Wi-Fi. As you see right now, Wi-Fi is turned off. So we're going to turn Wi-Fi on. Turn Wi-Fi on. And now the camera should be, you should be able to locate it using the app. So now if we click on connect, so you go over to your Wi-Fi, you'll be looking for the 4K Wi-Fi is what you're looking for. Click on that. It's going to ask you for the password. And like I said, the password, you're just going to enter it. And then you'll be pretty much good to go. At that point, you'll be able to go back to the app and you'll be able to connect to the camera. It's going to ask to allow. And now with your phone, you'll be able to see pretty much everything that the camera sees. You'll be able to start and stop recordings as well as review any images that have been recorded on this device. So that comes in really handy. All right, guys, to wrap it up, I'm just going to take a photo here just to show you guys what the quality of the camera is. And I will post these photos at the end of the video. So right now we're recording just a little touch of video of this little duck that we have here on my desk. So this is a 4K camera. It will record up to 30 frames a second. And then I can just stop that recording. And then if I want to switch modes, I can go into my menu settings, choose camera. And now I can take a photo of this same little duck. So you guys get the idea. Once you read the manual and go through some of the features of this little camera, this is going to be an excellent little companion. I think this camera would be great for someone who's just starting out in photography. It's going to be great for kids, teens, adolescents who are interested in photography and videography, or those who may want to do a little bit of live streaming with a camera like this. This is a 64 megapixel camera. Yeah, really nice design. And of course, you have all of the features that I mentioned. All right, guys, so definitely check this guy out. Hopefully this camera will be exactly what you're looking for. If so, hey, I did my job. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I just want to do a really quick video on this little camera to show you guys some of its features and everything that comes in the box. All right, I'll catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out. So right now we're recording just a little touch of video of this little duck that we have here on my desk. So this is a 4K camera. It will record up to 30 frames a second.